everyone, this is Ramya. I welcome you all to my another video. In this video, let's see about what is an economic moat. The word moat generally means a safety arrangement built around the castles in ancient times. It is actually a hole dug around the castle which is later filled with water, and this safety arrangement is called a moat. When this moat is wider and deeper, it becomes tough for the attackers to have an access at the castle. The analogy here is that is the castle here means the company, the attackers refers to competitors, and the water body moat, that is protection, refers to a competitive advantage. So when a company is protected by an economic moat, competitors will find it difficult to dethrone the company from its current position. An economic moat is actually a distinct competitive advantage which a company has over its competitors, which allows the company to protect its market share and profitability from others. This advantage is very difficult to be copied or duplicated by the other participants, that is by the competitors. Example, like it can be either like a brand name or a patent, etc. And when this economic moat is wider and larger, a company is much protected from its competitors. Thus, economic moat creates an effective barrier against competition from other firms. Every company understands that their main threat to continued success will be from their competitors. So they have to keep their competitors at bay. For that, they have to continue their dominance. In order to continue their dominance, they have to establish an economic moat around their company. And this economic moat is important not only from the perspective of company, it is also important for investors. That is, investors who want to invest in the company has to choose companies which has wide economic moat. This competitive advantage means any factor, that is, it can be any factor which allows a company to provide goods and service similar to that of their competitors, and at the same time outperform them in terms of profit. That is, they put same input as that of their competitors, but they might have an advantage over other companies in terms of profit. There are several ways in which a company can create economic moat. The first type can be by using cost advantage. That is, when a company has easy raw materials and when their operating cost is low when compared to their competitors, they can have a cost advantage over competitors in the same industry. The next is size advantage. That is, when the company is bigger when compared to their competitors in that same industry, they can produce more number of goods so that they can offer it at low price. And next is high switching cost. That is, if consumer find it difficult to switch from one company to another and the switching cost is high, they'll preferably stay in one company. And intangibles, that is, a company which have patented their products or established a brand name or got a certain government license can overthrow their competitors. Next is market limitation. That is, there are only limited number of companies in a particular sector or industry, gives a wide moat for that company. Finally, very important factor which creates an economic moat is customer preference. That is, if a customer prefers to buy a product which a company offers when compared to its competitors, that is not buying from other brands or something, then it gives a very good economic moat to that company. This customer preference cannot be built in a single day. It has to build in long term, and this influencing customers' choice is very hard because the product has to be good, it has to be useful, and it has to be unique. That is, there should not be any other alternative to that, and value, and that good should also be value to the money, so that the customers stick to a particular brand and company, and this creates a wide economic moat for a company. So it is very important for a company to build a moat, and it should also keep that moat widening in future, because as the time goes on, there will be much competition. That is, they will get much competition in that particular field or sector, and the factor which they use to create their economic moat can be copied by the other companies. So they have to keep widening their moat. The most important characteristics of a company with a wide moat are they generally generate large amount of free cash flow and have a record of highly strong returns. That is, they generally share high market capitalization, they have high ROCE and high ROE. So we have to pick stocks with a wide moat so that we should always prefer to pick stocks which has wide economic moat, so that we can make a solid bet on that company. I hope this video is much informative, and thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and share this video.